Welcome to Project Matulungan para Matuto. This time, our lesson is about factorial notation. So the symbol for factorial notation is the exclamation point denoted by n-factorial. When we say factorial, it is a shorthand for multiplication of at least consecutive descending whole numbers, denoted by n factorial is equal to n times the quantity of n minus 1 times n minus 2 hanggang sa ma-reach ang 2 times 1. Let us have our example number 1. Evaluate 4 factorial. Using the formula n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to 2 times 1, we have 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So if you can see, descending order tayo from 4 until to reach 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. Therefore, 4 factorial is equal to 24. Example number 2. Evaluate 5 factorial plus 4 factorial. Using the formula, n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 until 2 times 1, we have 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So what is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1? That is 120 plus 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. Therefore, 5 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 120 plus 24 is 144. Thus, the sum of 5 factorial and 4 factorial is 144. Let us proceed to our example number 3. Evaluate 10 factorial over 8 factorial. Using our formula, n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 until to reach 2 times 1. Therefore, we have 10 factorial over 8 factorial. 10 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 factorial all over 8 factorial. So, bakit huminto na tayo sa 8 factorial sa ating numerator? Because we're talking about division. And we could apply our cancellation method since ang ating denominator ay 8 factorial. So, we could stop sa ating 8 factorial sa numerator para makancel nating dalawa ang 8 factorial sa numerator at 8 factorial sa denominator. So, we have 10 times 9 na lang ang naiwan sa atin. So, 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Thus, the quotient of 10 factorial and 8 factorial is equal to 90.